Are you looking for a YouTube monetization course? Are you having a hard time trying to rank your YouTube videos on top of YouTube search results? If you answered yes to my questions, then keep watching the video, because this YouTube monetization course will teach you how to get your channels monetized in less than 30 days. Plus, it also teaches you some secret tips and tricks to rank your videos higher on top of YouTube to make money through affiliate marketing as well. Even if you have zero authority in your niche, you can still easily rank videos on top of YouTube and start getting organic traffic to your site or whatever you're promoting through your YouTube videos. As you can see, people who followed this training monetized their brand new channels in just a few weeks. Even some people have gotten approved for monetization in less than 9 days and started making money through affiliate marketing as well. The creator of this course is already making 7 figures a year from his YouTube channels. So if you want to learn how he does it, then check out the link below. It will redirect you to the official website for this training course. However, for those who prefer a more detailed overview of what you are getting inside this course, please continue watching this video. One thing I really like about this particular course is, even if you don't know anything about YouTube and you can still make money through the YouTube Partner Program. Let me hand over this video to my friend Chris. He will take you inside this course and give you a complete overview.
Hey guys, my name is Chris and I am the creator of YT Marketer. And in this video, what I want to do is take you inside on my course and show you exactly what you're going to get. Now, if you don't know who I am, I've been in YouTube marketing since about 2013, full-time, earning 6 figures a year. In fact, this year I will actually be earning 7 figures between the revenue from my ads on my YouTube accounts and from affiliate sales. And that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching in YT Marketer, is how to do that. So inside of my course here, this is the membership area. And there's a training section. There's also a Facebook group. If you decide to join that, it is going to be a monthly membership, because that's where I'm going to be sharing details about my own YouTube channels, new things that I'm learning, what I'm doing, as well as you earning prizes. So if we scroll down through here, YT Marketer is broke up into 2 different sections. The first one is monetizing a YouTube channel. So for those of you who have been trying to get a YouTube channel monetized with YouTube ads so you can earn from every view of your videos, I'm going to show you how you can do that in as fast as 9 days. In fact, I have a full case study in this section that shows you how I took a brand new YouTube channel from beginning to end and had it monetized in 9 days. And you're going to see how after just a few days after that, I was already earning revenue from the ads and affiliate commissions from products that I'm promoting on these YouTube channels. So if we go through here, you can look at the training and see what you're going to get. I'm going to go through and explain everything about setting up a YouTube channel. So if you're new to YouTube, don't worry about it. I'm going to take you through step by step, show you how to get everything set up on it. I'm going to show you how to customize your channel. I talk about creating videos and the types of videos you need to have in order to be monetized. There are certain types of videos that YouTube really likes. It's what they're looking for. And if you're doing something other than this, there's a good chance you may not get monetized. I want to show you also how to outsource videos if you don't want to create them yourself. I go over the process of uploading videos, how to properly optimize them. I'm also going to show you how I get the watch time and the subscribers really fast to get my accounts approved for monetization. I set up a whole second YouTube channel and go over this process again so you can see exactly what I'm doing and that it does work over and over again. In fact, you're going to see the videos that I'm uploading to these channels. You're going to see how I upload the videos. Everything is step by step over the shoulder, and I'm not leaving anything out. I even added an update video in here where I take you into both of these YouTube channels over the period from beginning to end as they're getting monetized, so you can see what's going on with them. The getting approved video is going to show you just that. It's going to talk about the things that YouTube looks for when they manually review your account and how to get your account set up and ready to be approved manually. After that, I'm going to give you an update with my 3-week results on these 2 channels, how they're already earning income from both revenue from ads as well as affiliate commissions. Then I'm going to talk about the analytics and the different types of ads you can have on your YouTube channel, and then the recommended niches you should be involved in if you want the highest CPM possible for earnings. CPM is basically how much advertisers are going to pay per 1,000 views, and depending on the niche you pick, this can be as low as $2 per 1,000 views, or I even have some channels that range between $60 and $80 CPM, all the way up to points where I've hit up to $155 CPM. The next part of this training, I'm going to be taking you inside and showing you how I rank YouTube videos. So for many of you, you've seen that I've done launch jacking in the past. I've won numerous competitions over and over again simply because I would outrank all of my competitors. In about 2016, 2017, I started my own YouTube ranking service. I now have clients all over the world, both individuals and businesses, who buys my services for me to rank their videos, and I'm going to show you how I do that in this section. So first, we're going to go over understanding YouTube and the algorithm so you know what YouTube looks for when ranking videos. Then I'm going to go into the proper optimization of your videos that's going to help them to even get ranked more and for more keywords. In the Boost Your Rankings video, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do with any video you upload on your YouTube channel. And for those that are more competitive of keywords, I'm going to show you how to use CTR or click-through rate to drastically increase your rankings in YouTube for your videos. And I prove this with a second case study of where I upload a video on a newer YouTube channel that only has 5 other videos, and I'm able to move it from position 32 all the way up to number 2 in just 20 minutes. And you're going to see everything step by step. Every one of these videos is loaded with content and tips and tricks that I've learned over the past 7 to 8 years to rank my videos and build a 7-figure-a-year business. And now I'm passing it on to you. And if you join me in the Facebook group, you're going to be walking side by side along with me throughout this whole process, so where we can all grow together. If this is something you know for sure you want to do, then get started now by clicking the button below. And by the time you get done with this training, you're going to be wondering why I didn't charge 5 times what I am for this course.